Okay, good afternoon. This time I'm going to explain to you how to round off numbers. Okay, so in numbers there are places of the digits. Okay, so when you round off to the tens value, you have to base your rounding off from ones place. When you round off to a tenths place, you have to base your rounding off from the hundreds. Alright? So now, first instruction here is round to the nearest tens. So let's solve some problems. 43 divided by 6 is 7. That's 42. Okay, I assume that you already learned division. So this is 1 and you add 0. That's 10. That's 1. Okay, that is 6 and 4. Add 0 again. 40. That is 6 and 36. That is 4. So you can actually continue with this in this way, but because the instruction is just to round to the nearest tens, then you can stop there because you have made already the desired one. See, 7.16, you have reached hundreds because 1 is in tens place and 6 is in hundreds place. And you are supposed to round to the nearest tenths, which is 1. So therefore, you have to stop your process and take a look at the answer, 7.16. So, as I've told you, when the instruction is for you to round off to the nearest tenths, you have to base your rounding off from hundreds. Okay? And remember that when you round off numbers, you have to think if the number is below 5 or 5 and above. When it's 5 and above, you have to add 1. But when it's below 5, you have to write the number as it is. Okay? So for example, this 7.16. So the final answer, round off to the nearest tens, is 7.2 or 7.20 because 6 is greater than 5. Alright? Again, the answer is 7.2 or 7.20 because 6, which is the basis for your rounding off, is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to 1 becomes 2. So 7.2 or 7.20. When the number in the hundreds place is below 5, like if this is 4 or 3, 2, 1, then you don't need to add 1 to 1. So the answer in that case would be 7.10 only. Okay, 7.10. So now, second question is round to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so let's solve some exercises. This is 198 divided 16, that is 1. 16, 19 minus 16 is 3. 38, this is 2. 32 minus, this is 6. And add 0, decimal there, 60. So this is 60 divided by 16 is 48, that is 3. Okay, 48. 48. 60 minus 48 is 12. Alright, then add one more 0, that is 120. Then this is 6, right? 6 times 6 is 36. 3, 6, 96. Let's see. 1, this is 4, this is 11, minus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 24. Oh, bigger. So let's have some lower answer, which is 7. Higher. This is 7. So this is 7 times 6, 42. 4, 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 is 12, 11, 112. This is 8, and 8. And add one more 0, and add 0. 80 divided by 16 is 6, 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 80. This is 0. Okay, so your answer is 12.375. But since the instruction is for you to round to the nearest hundreds, then you base your answer from thousands. What is our thousands here? That's 5, which is included in 5 and up. So you have to add 1 to 7. So your final answer is 12.38 or 12.380. Okay, so this is how you round off numbers. Always remember to look at the number beside, okay, or at the back or behind. God bless and have a nice day.